Today is hopefully gonna be a very productive day because I've got big plans. I want to abandon this door and basically have another door in that wall. I've got a huge hole in my kitchen wall and I have to clean up all this mess. I abandoned my kitchen door. You can't go through there anymore. That's a very weird feeling because now I have to go through the wall hole in my salon, in my living room. But this will change. I haven't figured out how to do that yet, and I really didn't have a good time yesterday with my installation. I'm gonna do that tonight because I think I figured out how to do it correctly. Can't wait for the electrician to come here, put in the cables, then I'm gonna put in my insulation. I can't wait to get this wall finished. Passing all the cables, a bit of insulation, drywall, tack, 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 that's it. It sounds so easy, but it's so complicated because you have to think about the next step. So I need to make some holes into my floor up there because there's gonna be the tube for the toilet, which is gonna be upstairs. I have to pass it through the wall. So I have to think ahead before I just close everything off and then, oh shit. So far so good. I'm pretty satisfied with what I did so far. There's gonna be plasterboard all along the wall. I don't even keep this nice area up there because that's just too much work. Si vous ne faites pas que communiquer des opinions ou des informations, mais si on vous expérimente... Looks really good already. Different than a couple of weeks ago, but yeah, we're getting there. I tried to think ahead and yeah, so far it's working.